Benjamin Franklin lived during a time of great scientific curiosity. The world was just beginning to understand electricity. People were fascinated by sparks and shocks, but they didn't know what caused them. Franklin, a man of endless curiosity, was determined to solve this electric mystery. He believed that lightning, with its awesome power, might hold the key to understanding this strange force. Franklin observed the world with a scientist's eye, always seeking answers. He was captivated by the destructive power of lightning and wondered if it shared a connection with the static electricity he'd been studying. Could lightning be harnessed, its power understood and controlled? This question sparked an idea in Franklin's mind, an experiment that would change the world. Franklin's experiment was brilliantly simple. He built a kite using basic materials. He started with a wooden frame and covered it with a silk handkerchief to act as a sail. At the top, he attached a pointed metal wire designed to attract electricity from the storm clouds. For the kite string, he chose hemp, a strong natural fiber that could conduct electricity. To keep himself safe, he attached a silk ribbon to the bottom of the hemp string. He held onto the kite by this dry silk ribbon, as silk would not conduct electricity. Finally, he tied a metal key to the hemp string near where he held it. This key would play a crucial role in his experiment. On a stormy day in June 1752, Franklin took his kite to a field. The sky crackled with electricity. He stood under a shelter, keeping the silk ribbon dry, and waited. He knew this experiment was dangerous, but he was determined to see it through. He needed to get the kite close to the storm clouds without being directly struck by lightning. As the wind picked up, he launched the kite. The kite soared into the sky, the metal wire pointing towards the dark, churning clouds. Rain began to fall, making the hemp string wet and even more conductive to electricity. Franklin watched, his heart pounding with anticipation. This was a pivotal moment in scientific history. Section 4. Sparks of Revelation unveiling nature's secret. Suddenly the fibers of the hemp string began to repel each other, standing on end as if charged by an unseen force. Excited, Franklin moved his finger towards the key. A spark jumped from the key to his finger, delivering a mild shock. At that moment, Franklin knew he had proven that lightning is a form of electricity. His simple experiment had profound implications. It demonstrated the awesome power of nature and its connection to a force that had puzzled scientists for centuries. Franklin's discovery paved the way for a deeper understanding of electricity and its many applications. Section 5. A legacy of safety, the lightning rod and beyond. Franklin's kite experiment wasn't just a scientific breakthrough. It was a turning point in our relationship with electricity. His discovery led directly to the invention of the lightning rod, a device that has saved countless lives and structures from the destructive power of lightning strikes. By understanding the nature of lightning, Franklin found a way to protect us from it. His experiment serves as a timeless reminder that curiosity and ingenuity can unlock the mysteries of the universe. It inspires us to observe, question, and explore, knowing that even the most basic tools can lead to extraordinary discoveries that shape the future.
That's all, folks. So आज के सेशन में बस इतना ही. Hopefully this session was useful and interesting for you. So thanks a lot for watching, and do stay connected with Cognitives for getting update on the next module. See you guys.